then where you donate money for her. Not be human be Debbie. Which is saw that one way jala boga fish. Why he sought me, we go shake me. The pain now be say I don't expose his secret because the account where he put where people be taking a pity for him. Say that children they want to go give the money. He got that phone of 2,000. That's almost 1.2 million naira now. Now big problem between your wife. Your wife can say no, they swear. Since he reached Libya, according to when me and wife talk that time, you know they call your wife, you know they ask for your children. You go leave your wife and children for a family house. You know they pay house rent for them. No house rent, nothing. All the money what they give Olivie, if they squander around, they usually carry gas for no Libya now. Say gas free for them. Provided me you give them money, they'll follow you go as. They carry gas, they do everything with the money. He does not even have a plan for himself. The house when he even rent, somebody for that Libya today, they come here tomorrow, come disgrace Olivie. Now that Olivie go know say before I come out this night, I don't already gather information about her. That's why we want bring her come here. May you see what he do. When I bring her they come this evening, Olivie not come. As I come and reach, I request her, he not come. People call the right, say Enogie they call you. If I say don't get cool, say me the person for the Libya, where they near your house, don't shook me pin, say the house Olivie they claim say they pay how many dinars for. Now 150 dinars they pay. Others say the Libya man will get there, not they stay there again. That place where Olivie they sleep so, na pig and fowl, the market they sleep before. Olivie come beg the man come carry a pig and a fowl, go to that side. Yeah, tomorrow, Anthony for Libya is coming here to disgrace Olivie. And tomorrow, I go know Olivie is his scammer. I don't already promise you, I say, I must give you the truth. And I must be honest to you guys. Because not be everybody work money for now. I know the suffer, well, now they suffer the time. Well, all of us they suffer. Because as a day or so now, suffer a day, they look for money. One person office sit down for Libya, may they use our brain. Olivie said now 800 dinars, I be 700 dinars they pay. He get one Ashawo joint. Well, Olivie they go they knock guess. Olivie they do 3 some with the condition. May I talk? I be never want to talk. Oh. Olivie they do 3 some without his condition. Olivie get prick. When want to sleep with 2 guests without a condition. But if he come on social media, we go the pity for him. Hello? I'm going to expose Olivie tomorrow. Because I never want to talk that side just now. Now the way Olivie called the fee say smart, I will expose Olivie tomorrow. And 3 people. Well, Olivie the guy have the Gawad people for Libya. He get the last one with the Gawad. Olivie not give her money. That one can say, hey, like I'll go tell this Anthony so. Say, Olivie, they play people for one night for Europe. If you give Olivie money, say may help you go carry person from prison. Olivie go give the people where they the prison some amount. He go collect some. He go come out. They say when they want come outside, they'll say don't worry, they'll come outside soon. He don't give them the full money, make the person for come out. He will leave that one because evidence never to do that one. The nonsense when Olivie they do for Libya is going to be exposed tomorrow. What I tell people say they get internet. The girl when Olivie they come inside, when the girl sees Olivie don't over, they reduce. Now the girl tell Olivie say may not come again. Nobody they carry Olivie again as we speak. All of them they fear say they reduce when they reduce to her. People they say Libya before. People they work for Libya, they send money they give their family for Nigeria. What if make Olivie they reduce that? This nobody know. When Olivie don't carry shabby, nobody know. Wait till I want to confess. Imagine here, what done all? Now Olivie the forms, if the form saying words, if the form say guesses, make he can't use my wife and children for this Christmas. Take scam una. If una give Olivie money for that, for the Naira account, he go tell the person where he and the guy. You see, they give that one small something. Oh, you go tell and say transfer that to my dinner's account. He don't gawat person where they are three. One still there inside, but there are three they gawat people. Olivie they gawat people any year for Libya. That Libya so now next they enter, now next they come out. If you want to be successful in Libya, let your hands be clean. Olivie hand is not clean in Libya. May Olivie talk with the one. Because tomorrow, I want to put fire for Olivie. Because you cannot be doing evil. Because you be my mumu friend. When you there, you not be friend. Because of your stupidity. All the people you follow do friend, all of them betrayed you. Now me still tell you, say, don't worry, I will help you. But not because of you. My wife is a witness. I tell you that time. If they cost me, I not go get what you go do me because I not help you. My wife and children help. If you can't go collect for the money, on my account. So, but now what happen be that one. So don't be surprised. Because today, I know that I wouldn't have fixed and I don't fair pan before. Oh, but now you wait so. How much I help you? You know this 200,000. But today, I am so proud of you.
Want to try something? Now it help me. That time, okay. Like see you get Natasha.
Yes, I don't really help one girl finish with the deport. Now you take call me say see oh, that's okay. Let's just help. You when me use small money to help. See your life today. German money say your house be like Europe. That's why German money be no one come up for your house. He say most especially if they do that. He say get one light way they on. Say you be like saying that John did day. Not be waiting and see. Not be making they proud of they laugh. Oh yeah, they're proud of you. They're Olivie, if I go out now, it's so funny. No wonder. I said this guy too dry. This will not be suffer again. We wait in Europe, some of us we see they suffer.
No be lie. That guy don't lean. No, I know what did they do.
They're not they carry him again for connection house. It because of Toto. Yeah. Only thing they do 3 songs.
He dey knock, they pay money.
He dey pay there. Person wey say dey suffer. He dey pay there. He get one way be one give belle. Now that one say now Europe be dey go. Now 1 or 2 things will happen. I make dey here oh. Beleke. That one say he don't promise he says he no want go again. He dey Libya there, the work money they go ask. People dey Libya way fresh now. May I begin the post. But Olivie can't get a big bros. We don't know what make him can reduce like that. Today, it can't bring one over sabi strategy. Say, okay, but I haven't become my children and wife. His wife never know. His wife not dey online like that. If your wife need money, make wife cry out. We go help him. His wife will give us account. We will know that his wife will help. If your wife bring account this night, I'll beg my fans more help your wife and the children with 500,000 only.
Epa, that first bank account when they always post, but my wife they control that account for Nigeria.
Never, no lie. No lie.
Eh?
His brother, then they control. His wife with the vest for saying not swear anywhere. His wife with the vest for saying not swear anywhere.
You know well.
Yes. So if they pay and I say I don't expose people. Somebody there here will know Olivie kids. They pay Olivie 20,000 euro. He go talk at yourself if you reach out to talk. Olivie go give those arrests. Nollywood actor. When he called Jamie for their actor film award of the year. Olivie package bid. Go give her.
I see that video when you wear something like check. Like yellow this thing.
He did a platform for them. He did a platform. Olivie they deny this thing, they say not give Nosares 2,000 euro. Nosares will give 2,000 euro now. No know that they exist. That one don't even know. I believe say if Nosares mistakenly bring that man up today, Nosares will quickly drop and say, oh, I'm sorry about that. Mugu, away. Thank you, Bona. May I allow that person talk. Madam President, go on.
Enogie, good evening.
Where's he?
Congratulations to your new phone.
Where's he? Thank you. Let me flood it.
Congratulations to our new baby. Epa, if that phone fall, we go cover you.
I back glass put.
We
Follow.
go saga you if the phone fall. Our sweat.
Let that fool follow.
Thank you, senior man.
Hold on well.
Enogie, now two things. Even though say you don't talk, number one, if anybody get the wife number, if the woman fit come this night, everybody go help the woman because
500,000 no still pass. 500,000.
If they know the woman, make the woman. If not to rent house from, make the woman come up for that family house. Go in. We know say we are capable with God. All things are possible. They not go kill that woman. If anybody fit share this live video, go give the woman. Secondly, wait till this guy is 20,000 euro to do.
Okay.
Now that I want know 20,000. They stab you. God may pay you. What you want to do? Because if you see that video where they hug no be about rest, if they push out your way, I go a platform. Rest they push out your way. If they try hug her, even hug her for back, it come out in her. Now they see disgrace. What he is and they do?
Okay.
20,000, very big money. Oh, if I see that money now, I don't come up.
They say when they give her the money, if he reach club for Munich that time, he go say, hey, hello, how much is suya? All those ones come back. Arabu way no, they know what it be suya. They were forced to do suya for Olivie because of
and the wife they suffer.
You
know if you build house for Nigeria.
If you wife too short for that money, it not reach 200 euro. Yeah, what's the way? Continue. May you not worry. May you better talk for you. We can go there.
I bet anybody will get to leave your wife number, but may not give a pa, may for call a pa, or may come this live video, may talk. Everybody go help her.
Where's he?
Thank you, sir.
Hey, next, Lady J.
Good evening.
Well, my wife sister, eh?
Epa na me fe kon. So may she talk. May she talk.
I beg.
I want contribute. Investor. Now I'm making. You suppose me with the look man. Actually, we are married with this so. You understand? Because Olivie now. Right
No, there's a pidgin English.
Right from time, you don't get the time where be say my mind fit carry that guy. You don't get the time when my mind take carry him because I never see person like this for my life. When they deport you, people donate money for you. The next thing you go, you come up for you leave your wife and with children. That woman shall I blame her? Shall you follow man day? You see the way the man say they behave to you. But I don't understand though. You can't just let them deport you with this man. Even the family of the woman I go they disappointed on the woman. We go we are not married. Just see what they do for Libya. Just see you know see that part where they dance investor. Otherwise, a crocro on the side voya.
He give it.
Understand though, as in you just leave that woman, I leave her for suffer. Very ungrateful you might be. Where what man they go get investor. On that period, don't know where here. He's saying going one cross. He's saying one cross. One woman from UK. Consent pants go give him. Consent money. Olivie look on. He never tell the woman thank you. But then I feel like 500 pounds. One man used to do live video now. Now the woman can't even still call him. Say, Olivie, I send you money. Thank you. Very water now. Thank you. He never even feel thank that woman. Where thank you. As you say, he give the people the money. The way they use force, they collect the money. The woman was like, the woman tired. Say, who send them? You know, so this guy be very ungrateful. You might be.
Okay.
God forbid. I pity for that woman, Sha. I just pity for
Now
that
the
woman.
year, not be me talk
I
this one
pity for
now.
that woman. That woman will marry him. I pity her. Now they don't leave the woman for suffer. Now only in one. They leave her. Now you leave that woman with how many children? Now let God know what that woman go they pass through. Now
Lady Jane, nobody be no saying your wife not in good terms. Nobody know.
you see how?
Now me call talk am this evening. The account when they tell say me they go donate to because of wife and children. Now lie, he get now he brother they control the account. You go ask him how much Jay said. He go tell her, he goes, okay, take 100,000, send me the rest for Libya.
Oh,
You go your enjoy Christmas where.
oh.
As I say this evening, meanwhile, don't they get a lot of things. No worry, the neighbor of Olivie will come talk tomorrow.
Okay. If they even they do things song for Libya. Oh, the pity of pity
I
for
will
that
not allow
woman.
you.
More than they look men.
So many they suck your breast.
Oh.
Those one go suck your breast, tire, suck.
And at the money where people they contribute, they give them for year.
Yeah, they can only get that me going. Which work they do there? If they work, like nothing work for Germany. Yeah.
I pity for the woman. Oh, I pity for her.
I will not allow you.
You go look mad before you go marry next time. That is woman so. Lady Jennifer, see video where you do. Okay, we best.
Good evening.
Good evening, Jennifer Collins. I bet you to Mao Kabuti there.
How
I
that day?
see video where you do.
We
Okay,
do.
I
Yeah,
investor.
I don't see you reach.
We'll see.
I did.
We'll see.
Epa Enogie, I
Hey,
greet you.
greet you too.
E get this Olivie matter so now I wan cut up for you now.
Go na the
Because
listing.
first of all, before I go start, if we donate money give this wife now, you sure say Olivie no go collect that money back?
No.
Because
You know fit.
the reason why they talk am, because now the woman be man for this journey before. Because the time where they dey together, the woman they work black work.
I don't understand.
If you see some women where they husband, they dey here since they comment where you they talk am. Say na true, say they give.
Which black work, I beg. Bring down that to her. We will understand.
Black job that is you go they use pencil paper. They work. Now it be black job now.
Okay, yeah.
So as if they got that black job that time, Olivie they do Evie for house. And they say they pay her that money where they for stay stab one.
Not the
He
year.
show me everything. This one not be say, they say, see my house, see house for year.
Ew.
He they show me even the card of 50% where they give her. Now 450 euro, those organizations they pay am.
Wow, down
Then they call the pro familiars for us but for year. So from there now, job setter still they pay am money with the children and the wife.
Be this one with
Okay, now they pay all those money finish now.
I bet hold
Even
on first,
that
my
process.
sister. Who be this one with they say per use wisdom? You just say you did alive, or you just come back from prison. Which wisdom?
No, they no one make the bring everything come. I'm not worry. Una no fit shut my mouth up. Oh. So from there now, I can't tell Olivie say, since they say you no go fit work, but you fit work 2 hours to 3 hours job because the card where they give her is allowed to work 2 hours and 3 hours job, which is 50%. You'll be like disabled child cards. Now they give her. So from there now I can't tell her say, Olivie, you are entitled to still get more money as you hold this card. So the process so they forgive her that 20,000 euro. Mona I ask Olivie say, when I help her waka, he give me 1 naira for the 20,000 euro. He give me better help her for all these things. People where they buy beads for in hand. Now my bank cards, I tell the help her they collect the money. I go withdraw, I go see carry go give am. I know they change my word though. I go still go give am. Okay, tell me now, say, not be me supposed to dey risk.
Where?
I do that one for am. That help what I do for am, I never reach. But today now, they deport am with children and woman go Nigeria. That woman, they work black work. Olivie go still collect that money. No party where you go where you know see Olivie, they spend money, they throw away money anyhow. But the woman, if you see the woman look tattered. All these are local clothes where they even they wear one euro for shop safe. E even need pasta. If you see the woman, e make zebu for body. But if you see Olivie they shine, they make boko. No party where you see and say Olivie not they change clothes, but the woman now they work the money, they do everything. The woman own both children they collect everything. That will not be my business. My business be say why you not use the money do better thing for how many years we don't stay Deutschland. They give 20,000 euro. They ask that they say use a buy land. Yeah, for buy land. Which land you use a buy? And one thing I want tell una for year, if una dey support her, make una dey tell her the truth. Say people wey Olivie don gawad, yeah, they repeat her. I dey knock her for my foot chest if I dey talk my truth. May una go advise her because you know, may go beg them. Because I know as a woman wey be say e go naked for night, swear for person wey make am faint for road. Person wey use 5,000 euro take buy documents. You go do am, make they collect the paper for your hand. You come enter Gawat squad. All these things not reach, make they swear for her. Person wey be say your hand not clean. How una want to help am wey go value na money? How? Okay, now he abandoned the woman for Nigeria now say, okay, mo come dey help am. Help waiting. That day now, okay, tell me say he want cross. He say na 800,000, now he want take cross. Now his friend begged me, Now his friend begged me that they say, okay, make a help am. Sorry.
No problem.
Now his friend begged me, say make a help am that day. So from there now, I can't give her 100,000. I said I go give your wife. He said my wife I can't. And they call they worry me small.
No problem. Una dey hear
I can't say 100,000 go give your wife. Olivie can tell me say okay, say he don't see the money. No, say wife not see that money. I ask the wife, you see money? Say no see. Okay, I can't send that. I can't tell her, say, okay, I'll help you with 200,000 since you say you want cross. From there now, Olivie can tell me, now I can't tell Olivie, say, since they happen, person accuse me, say I help her with money. Say I use a toaster. Now I say for now, I need to pause. I no go help you with that 200,000 for now. Now today, now I see Olivie called the verse for me, say me to say don't die, me no help her again. Now they cost me for a platform, see say, may I go. Hey, you no need my help again. Now 2,000 dinars, it buy a phone. You no need anybody help. This girl one they see for years, so now bad person. Now enjoy people wait disgrace her. It cost me today. Now my question be say, now Olivie, as he say make people help her. Today now they cost people say la may anybody no help her who they help. Olivie say nobody help her. So which help una won't give and one no. He say nobody help her. I mean not go help again. I no want.
You see life. You see, I never even hear this one just now. When I begin it, if you help Olivie, you are your own.
I say I no want help her. I no want. Cause tomorrow now they go say I use money beggar. I no want. I no go help. Since he say make I no help her, I say may I dey go. May I carry my money go? I don't carry my money go. I no want help you.
We'll
They
see.
say for Libya, they say that's why they use the money, they do the shogo.
May you not
know,
worry.
say,
Relax tomorrow. Not worry. Not worry.
Mona talk, I don't tell na wetin dey go on.
Thank
Mona
you.
tell her make go beg that woman wey gawat. 3 women na gawat for Germany wey swear for her.
Can you imagine?
Where they collect document for their hand. Document where they see buy 5,000, 6,000 euro. Olivie. Oh yeah, Mona go tell her, swear full body. Simple. Epa, I don't
We'll
talk
see.
finish.
Thank you. Thank you. My people, now the year matter. Next. Golden voice.
Hello, good evening, everyone.
We'll see.
How was everything? Happy New Month to everyone.
I was every day.
Everything is fine. How was yours?
You are fine. I'm moving outside. Bandit. Tori. Tori call. Tori, I was every day. Now, why you go? I was just talking now. Why you mental? I was every day. What my job? Oh, yeah, sir. I want my platform. Me understand why ye. Oh, yeah, sir. One more day. Oh, I was every day. You know, where I was. Oh, every day fine. Yeah, bandit. I know they call Nigeria. Where do I live in Nigeria? What so we go outside? Why you can't make away? Miss Shokoyo.
Good evening.
Yes.
Oh, and congratulations for your phone. I greet the house.
Hey.
Now this Olivie matter. Like me climb up. He say people when they Germany say na malatia document now we get. If it easy, why into no get the malatia document? That one side.
Very
Secondly,
nice.
say no beg you, may you contribute for her.
Okay.
Say they own. Yes, he said it.
Hold on. Wait till I talk just now. I say I'm not doing for her. From the beginning, for people who follow up with this donation, I did not do it for him. I do it for his wife. That's the truth. I think I'll bring the video tomorrow. I posted for my Facebook that time. I said it. I said, I am not doing this thing for you, but because of your wife. Olivie. Which one be Umawa way?
Okay.
Because of the children, not because of her.
Okay.
Yeah? No.
That's what I said. Now what in
No, I did not do it for you.
Thirdly, okay. Why be say they don't reach Nigeria? The Europe when they stay for years. The pressure will enter their body or waiting they enter their body. They insult people when they Europe. After they don't raise money for them. That
Yes.
one aside. Then that for that the guy so he dey sick. That way the warrior na Shigbani. Now the warrior for Libya.
Jigbani.
Yes, that thing go chop and to the extent the enemy go RIP. As it is, so they short blood. Yeah. Now the warrior so people when they Libya or when pass through land, they go understand what they talk. So either I go back to Nigeria or I go york my men for there. So that's my own contribution. So
What be Shigbani?
Now sickness. Now so that they call her for Libya that year.
Oh, na Libya sickness.
Yes. Now the
That
warrior
will not be
so.
stress, oh. That will not pass stress.
And now the sickness the warrior. May just go back to Nigeria, go treat itself. Both lies, bedbug, infection, crocker, all of them go down full body.
You not hear what me talk just now say, where they sleep now pig and fowl that they sleep there before.
Yes, yes. I heard it. You are right. Let me greet Mama Nora and everybody.
Yes,
so let me drop. Now good night.
Thank you so much.
Epadomo,
Hey, Wesley.
una good evening.
Good
Epa me
evening.
never see where person they use a pig take dey do roommate for this life. Olivie you be pig for my roommate. That one said that person say me they donate for the wife they go carry us. Who we are who can you what if I will not go donate to take carry us so because me I not there for that one. Oh. Olivier go saga us that way to move your wife for what though? I'm as moboyoni walao. If na one give her rest shop, okay. Oh what the Mona that woman love that man.
Yeah.
Person wey go use black work take give the husband money. Hey, now you can say you wan go remove for words or ass. Call. Hey, my contribution be that we not remove am for words or why continue word. Who we wan leave Olivier for?
That's
No,
very
no,
nice.
say I know. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your advice. Wesley Kakabo. Thank you. My sister Jennifer Collins.
Una good evening. Na belle Enogie. Dey na the family.
Mayawa man.
So, belle. Just a quick one. The reason why I climb up for this Olivie one. This guy cause they follow Olivie because Percy way he don't enter that route 4 times, deport 4 times. His destiny not dey abroad.
5 times. 5.
Okay, 5. Okay, not be everybody wey dey this Europe na it dey okay. Some people dey wey dey Nigeria, they better pass who dey abroad. That's number 1. This guy destiny not dey abroad. May he go back. If I cause a follower, when Olivier when he was deported, I call him. He tell me say German government pay him money after he was deported. He said the money where they pay am that time for there, they never know say they don't deport him. So he can surprise say they can't still pay the money to his account. You understand? So now so he tell me he said the money big.
Okay.
And he can't say the money where he see work for social media that time before he come out, they also pay him.
I know they lie. I know
For
they
the
lie.
person where they collect, where
No, say
they
no, say
help am.
Madam Jennifer the talker. He told
Yes.
me.
He told me about
Okay. Okay.
You understand? So he told me because I also help him. So he told me a lot. I can say you get property for Nigeria for Benin. He say yes. He say he gets. Whether he say I not gonna lie. Whether he say the front flat they don't maintain and finish something like that. I don't feel remember again. I tell me. So I continue okay. Me go back to Benin. He say no. He no want go Benin. He want stay Abulegba for Lagos because I know that area. He say he want rent place for. Then I say, but it's good for you to go back to Benin so that all this money where they donate for you, you go use and start business. So no, yes, one house. Yeah, he tell me say well na one house and you also get land. What he tell me, cause the money where people donate for her, he want to start business and he gonna do his content as well. Now say it's better. Now say no follow road again. Now say bros, no enter road again. Now say should not be one, should not be small picking again. And 2, this abroad not favor you. So the money where they pay you right now, where government pay you right now, you tell me say it big. Now say add and join the money where people donate for you. He called me say no problem. I was calling him. And they give him advice. The day we I see this guy for roads, he did Libya for routes. I was so shocked. I can't say this guy is coarse. Now he am a Bobby boy now. He a tie bonia. What is going on with this boy? So my people, this guy, he dey sick because he no dey normal as a human being wey man travel safe. You first announce yourself to the whole world. Na river you want see pass, so na river you want pass. No be say na air. So this guy is sick, my people. So in fact, the best, make this guy go back to Nigeria. We no come be say as he don't enter the boat now, that boat turn upside down. And they pray people will not follow and enter boats. May God help them. Because there are people will be say they, if I bad luck, they follow. This guy, they want, in fact, this guy is one of them. It's one of them. So the laziness, we lazy that time for abroad, for Jamie. When he can't reach Libya now, he not come lazy again. He can't get strength to work. Can't do any job. You can see, say, our people sometimes say, they are so lazy for this abroad. So, I just dey sorry for his wife and his children. This guy can never learn. He can never learn. Make una not donate for this guy. Let him return back home. Back to his family, back to his children. Not be everybody will come abroad better. This guy destiny not there abroad. He should return back. He should return back. Just see the way he be. When me see that video, we are seeing, I shall say, God, which kind human being be this? Which kind human being be this? So,
Yeah.
he should go back. Oh, so,
Well,
I say, me I could tell you, say, they pay. Enogie, he tell me say they pay money.
He voice me now.
The time when they
Yeah,
deport
he voice me.
them and give her money.
Yeah, he voice me now. More than listening to it talk.
Enogie, this nonsense what you do for social media.
Madam,
you know go fit to. You know why I think they respect you. And because of the help where you help me. On my man gonna boy say one day. Every time I have a live video where they'll wear. Yeah, me go with social media. A platform you work party 2.5 million men. Now waiting I tell they sing.
Okay, but you go to there now. You said I 1.5 million I help you, but you dey voice me now. You dey voice me now. You offend me. Olivie, go on your knees and apologize to all the people you don't stop to get you, even if I 1,000 naira. Olivie, see, Davio, I not be other presenter. We go saga you, yeah, saga wewa. From one saga you, I the saga people with diplomacy. Go and apologize to all the people. Then we'll come to consider you small. You have offended a lot of people, even as you daily be so. With what you say out of your mouth, you want to cross that sea. You want to cross sea. You don't believe a woman will get belly with never born. That sea. Hey yo, somebody had deported. At the grace, I'll say waiting, and they want to be again. God forbid. God forbid. You go 5 times. You say God not exist. You want try for the 6th one. You be not dead, and if not be God will save him. You offend me, Olivier. Why offend me? You know it better.
You dey online. I say maybe I come from that person matter make I come. And the woman come tell me say no, make I go. Say maybe I feel your origin, I feel answer me. I say no. You get to get a lot of things when you do. This is not come and deceive me. I don't feel good. Before you come to the guy, the right say you say
Olivier de diner, oh Baba. Not be all of us they wait for Olivier for years since. Olivier say it is me they talk to another person. Olivier now.
Before I get up, my internet don't off. Before I reach where my Wi-Fi dey. Before I come fit call your line. I know say like 5 minutes, don't join up. I don't dey call.
Lie your day 2 minutes left right center.
They do saga.
Everything
when you talk online, you understand when you talk say I dey give Nusarest money. If I give Nusarest money, Enogie, what till you come find for Germany? You go see him.
Amen. Hey boy now. Wait, you want learn and say not give Nusarest money? Not swear for me, because as you be so your swear no work. Hello. they try. As you all did there, so not your swear. Because you been as your swear be like as you don't did it so. For you to the trauma they give people they suffer for their hard-earned money. Now they beat you put. When no give matter. Amen yeah. No can ya wow. Go on your knees and beg. At least 98% people will never. Which one? Which one? And you dey suffer. And you dey suffer. You dey Libya. You dey suffer. You say you don't know so now you are the call. No. You deport person where I want help this night because you forbid to use your platform to help. When you dey Europe, now bid you dey so bid. You won't live you that time you dey swan. If you guys say, my brother, just go boy beans. If you like, go and insult me. If you like, anything you want to do, go and do it. I don't give a damn about you. Because you are a demonic human being. I don't help you. I help your children and your wife. If you insult me today, if I see the insult, I go laugh and smile. Because I never helped you. When you did Jamie, make the play. Oh, go! But Jamie, my what? Why I want to help you when they don't deport you? Now your wife and children not help. Well, what are you? Are you playing? Stop now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think I've been able to convince you guys that you should keep your money and enjoy your money. If we see better people, we need help. I will cry out for donation. Not just me. If not say other people, we still need help for another person platform. We really need that when I help them. It's not compulsory that it must be my platform. But you see Olivie, I had in one running. Now give Olivie money. Tomorrow, after 4 months, he goes, I'm not giving her any money. If Olivie feeds Jolos drama money with the newly help, I don't understand. The thing come read for my ear say, so you mean that as we did now, all the people they work for this gen, the packer call they give you, can you send them Europe? Nonsense.